point that one. Or yeah, nice. How about this one right here? Good. All right, big mix-up. What about that one? Yeah, that is a fun game. It is pretty there. Cool. I'll teach you real quick. You hold your hands out, you flip them around, then you grab, and you come up like this, and then you have somebody point at one of your fingers, and you can only move that finger, and if you mess it up, then you lose. So it's a pretty fun game. Try it out. But don't do it right now because we're on our bronze SQL badge.
Yes, we are.
Bronze SQL.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Justice.
And let's go into the quiz taking now.
You got a frog in your throat.
Question 1.
Very good.
Text, numbers, and symbols are examples of
slap. Data. You didn't deserve that. But yeah, text, numbers, and symbols are all examples of data.
Question 2. Websites are like houses.
Ooh.
What part of the house is similar to SQL and databases?
Yes. So SQL and databases, they work hand in hand. You use one with the other. It's kind of like a recipe list or a grocery list, right? And your fridge, right? Your recipes for like how you cook stuff and like, what stuff to get out of the fridge and the fridge itself, the SQL and the databases.
Alrighty. Question 3. In a house, we store food in our refrigerator. Where do websites store this data?
Right. So the food gets put in the fridge in our house analogy. The data gets stored in a database in this analogy.
Nice.
Yeah. That's what's in our database.
Data.
Yeah.
Question 4. A recipe tells me what food I should buy/get from the refrigerator. What code/language do databases use to get/save data? Yeah,
so the code, the language that those servers use to go and get an apple out of the fridge, or go to get some data out of that database, that language is SQL. Yeah, so, it's pretty easy to understand, I feel like, the concept of data in a database, right?
Right, makes sense.
But if you wanted to say, hey, database, can I get some of that data? Can I get a list of Jaco's favorite foods or Jaco's favorite colors? You need to be able to speak to that database, and that language is SQL.
SQL. Question 5. What does SQL stand for?
The letters SQL stand for Structured Query Language. SQL. There's a lot of abbreviations and stuff in code, don't you think?
Yes.
It's nice because I would hate to have to always say the full word. It's nice just to say SQL.
That would be a drag. Question 6. What can you do if you learn SQL?
Good. So if you do learn how to do it, you can go get data out of that database. Or, on the other hand, you can put data into that database if you learn SQL, which is a great tool, right?
Fact. Question 7. Pretend we saved our favorite food and favorite color in the database. What is Justice's favorite color?
All right, well, let's go take a look at this database. Yeah, looking in our fridge. Well, if we look at this, we can see here that Justice's favorite color is blue. Yeah, Justice's favorite color is blue.
Question 8. Pretend we saved our favorite food and favorite color in the database. What is Jaco's favorite food?
You should have said my.
Or my favorite food.
Nah, it doesn't matter. Jaco's favorite food. Well, let's bring back our database and let's kind of gander at it. Let's look at it and inspect it. And I think I can read it. It looks like Jaco's favorite food here in this case is burritos. Ooh, especially when he's really hungry.
Oh my gosh.
He loves a nice, just packed burrito. It's full of delicious stuff.
There's nothing better except for passing my badge. Quiz. Yeah, so we passed.
I'm that monkey.
That
That's
has
like
that
a symbol.
Ding, ding. Best of luck on taking your quiz. Hopefully you guys walk and are very quiet and respectful and you pass.
Yeah, because you're probably in a library.
Yeah, so
Because computers are so expensive, and they're massive, and they take up whole rooms. Like, you couldn't be, possibly owning your own computer or, anything like that. What is this? 2018 or something? I'm Justice.
I'm Jaco.
And we'll see you next time, nerds.
Yeah, we will, nerds. Later.